Once again, the power of technicals has been proven. I told you to sell gold only below 1930. It precisely reversed from that, and a buy entry was above 1938. However, the resistance zone I have clearly mentioned is 1942-44 levels, and precisely achieving the midpoint, it has reversed from 1942.8. I hope you all profited. Also, likewise, see oil, it is traded with a drop, however, failed to go below 80.8 levels, which was mentioned 81. I have told you as a very strong support. It and achieving it for a fraction of a second, it has bounced back. Now, what to expect with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released tomorrow before the Asia session, exactly 12 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly charts. See, this was trading in this bullish channel, achieved the highs and has retraced since then. Now see, it is trading outside this channel, trying to break down. However, 1935-34 proving it out to be a good support. At the same time, only sell entry I will recommend is below 1930, below which you can sell and expect 1925-20 levels, and below that a good break can be expected. At the same time, where to buy? Now see, these three candles, higher highs, higher lows are seen, and hence once it trades past 1940 you can buy, but then expect 1944 and 1950 levels as the next stronger resistance there. So in between 1930 and 1940 do not trade. Now the directional movement is moderately bullish. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The stochastic has cooled a bit, trying to look upwards again. The MACD interestingly is trying to converge crossover for a sell entry. I'll wait for it to cross over. RSI is trading near to the highs there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, see, this was the bullish channel. It has breached out of this. Now trying to give you a couple of retracement candles. Probably once it trades below 1934, you can expect 1930. But remember, only sell entries below 1930. You can initiate a sell at 1934. However, be cautious of 1930 levels. Only sell entries below 1930. Again, I am reiterating. Those who want to risk it can sell, but you have to trade with the trailing stop loss as it can bounce back again. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD is bullish, however, trying to converge. The RSI is trading near to the highs there. And if you look at 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour charts, you can see the lows are very well aligned. And hence, yes, 1934 level certainly be a good support, below which little more bearishness can be expected. However, if you connect the dots here, see expanding triangle, increasing bullishness here, trading above 1940, you can expect that we may see 1944-46 levels and then 1950 levels. So 1944-46 certainly very good resistance and is achievable also. Direction movement is bullish. The stochastic has seen a rise and now trying to drop. The MACD is trading with little divergence here in green. RSI trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, rise, retracement, rise. Higher highs are done. So it is trying to create a bullish channel, or it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The lows of this channel is now situated at 1920 levels, 1918 levels. Also, this is trading at the top of the Bollinger Band, getting a little resistance here. Directional movement on the 4-hour charts is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is overbought, trying to look downwards. The MACD is trading with a moderately bullish bias. The RSI is also trading near to the highs here. Now, if you look at the daily charts, now on the daily chart, certainly it has breached past the resistance level at 1937-38. This time achieved higher highs at 1942-43. Now look at this here. If you connect the dots, you will find that the highs are anyways very well aligned. All the 4-5 candles are getting the resistance, and this appears to be a good flag with a narrowing triangle. It is trying to squeeze on the downside. 1920 is an extremely good support here. Directional movement here is also bullish. The stochastic is trying to look upwards. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is trading consistently overbought. Considering this, see, the bullishness can be seen if it trades above 1940 levels. Beyond that, 1940 to 44 definitely first resistance. till 1946 is fine, and then 1950 will get achieved. Remember, I have told several times 1940-50 is a stronger resistance zone. It has achieved the targets which I have set since last couple of months. Now it has precisely fallen into the same zone. Possibly it can achieve a high before it looks over to a drop here. Now remember that for the day only bearish confirmation is if you see gold trading below 1930. You can expect higher lows, means 1920 1918 levels can be seen today itself, and hence possibly once it drops below 1930 you can take a sell entry, taking it till towards 1925 first, 1920 and 18 levels second target. Beyond that, further drop might take it for 1915 and 1910 levels. Till it trades above 1930, do not try to sell gold, and those who want to risk a little can sell it at 1934. However, you should remain cautious. And till the time it trades above 1934, possibly it can bounce back again on the upside. We can see it hitting 1940 to 44 levels, and in fact we can see it hitting 1950 levels also, and hence trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 6th of February, that is the 19th batch. So do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for crude oil. Lower highs, lower lows. This time it has breached this channel here, and certainly this time possibly it can try to enter into the zone, and hence beyond 82.6 levels you can buy, and then 83, 84.5, 85 levels can also be seen. So buy at 82.6 and remain long on crude oil. That is very, very clear here. At the same time, if you see it trading below 81.5, 81.4 levels, you can sell and expect 81 and 80.8 and 80.4 levels on the downside. Direction movement moderately bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic entering into overbought zone here. The MACD has crossed over this time, and this is trading with divergence. This is a bullish cross here. It can continue with this bullish momentum. RSI trading with a positive bias and looking upwards on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, on the 2-hour chart, it is once again trading above 82, which is definitely a critical resistance. Now possibly we may see it hitting 82.6 third, and beyond 82.6. This time we are looking forward to 83.5 levels as the next target level. Hence possibly once it trades above 82.6, you can buy crude oil there. It has formed the crater and it is trying to reverse here. Now see this, we discussed about this thing. It is trying to trade in this channel. The bottom is achieved. Now it is trying to look on the upside. It means 83.5 levels can get achieved. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic, after dropping drastically, is looking upwards now. And if you look at the MACD is bearish, trying to converge, crossover on the buy side. RSI is trying to look upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. See these two candles precisely taking the support here, and see higher highs are seen. So 83, 83.5 levels are certainly appears to be achievable here. Also on the 3-hour charts, after forming a sharp tail, now it is trying to trade bullish. So possibly once it trades beyond 82.6, stay long and you can expect little more bullishness there. Direction movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge, crossover here. The RSI is trying to look upwards, showing little strength. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour chart. The previous candle had a sharp tail. Now it is trying to look upwards, and possibly 82.6 definitely appears to be achievable. Beyond that, if it breaks past, we can expect 83.5 levels, and beyond that more bullishness can be seen. Direction movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising here. The MACD trying to cross over for a buy position. The RSI trying to show a little strength here. Now look at the daily charts. So on the daily charts, lower highs, lower lows are done. Wait for it to break past this zone at 82.6 level, and beyond that certainly more bullishness can take it till towards 83.5 levels, and then it will complete the journey of lower lows and higher highs. See, 83 is certainly achievable. If it trades beyond 82.6, more bullishness can be expected, and then 83.5 levels can be seen. On the downside, it is taking a support at 81.4. That is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell. Directional movement is bullish. stochastic rising again, the MACD trading bullish and with little divergence. RSI is also showing positive bias. Considering this, sell at 81.4, buy at 82.6. In between this $1.2, do not trade on the downside. 81, 80.8, 80.4 levels certainly going to be very good support. Below 80, you can expect a sharper drop, might take it till towards 79, 78 levels. On the upside, once it trades beyond 82.6, you can expect a little more rise, taking it till towards 83, 83.5, and beyond that, more bullishness can take it till towards 85 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.